Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown, back with another video, and I really wanted to get this video out. I was sitting down watching TV with my wife, and I thought about this. I said, what would be great? I'm offering this incredible program, but what would even be greater to me would be to offer a free get started coaching session. Because I want to help. Look, I want to help people make money. Okay. And, people are coming into the program and I'm saying, man, wouldn't it be cool? Wouldn't it be awesome to offer a free get started coaching session with me so I can share with you what I'm doing and what you can be doing as well. Okay. And the way it's going to start, the way it's going to happen, rather, it's going to be very simple. All right. You sign up. Once you sign up for this amazing system, it's the Easy 20 Now program. Okay, you sign up for that, and I'm going to leave my phone number in the description area of this video. Okay, and if you want a coaching session with me, then all you have to do is send me a text. Okay, you send me a text. I'm going to pick a time so that we can get together. We'll text back and forth until we can nail down a time where we can get together, and I'll make the call to you or you make the call to me. It doesn't matter however we're gonna work it out, but I would definitely call you back. Okay, and so there'll be no problem there, and then I can discuss how to go about doing this. If you need some help in that area, you may not need that kind of help, but if you would want that kind of help, need it, then I want to be here for you. Okay, so let's get to the subject matter. Before I do that, I've got this thought that I want to share with you. I just want to share thoughts with people. Okay, and this is an incredible, powerful thought, and it goes like this: then let us all do what is right, strive with all our might toward the unattainable, develop as fully as we can the gifts God has given us, and never stop learning. What a wonderful, powerful thought by Ludwig van Beethoven. Isn't that something? Okay, so let's get into the subject at hand. All right, let's fill up your Cash App or your PayPal. And you see, you can receive either Cash App payments or PayPal payments, or both. Okay, I'm going with Cash App. Okay, and I will eventually add PayPal somewhere along the line, but right now I'm doing strictly Cash App. Okay, so all right, we got that out the way. Now, so we talked about the free I'm so excited, y'all, because I thought about this and I was like, oh man, yeah, this is cool, because I want to do that. Again, I just want to help other people make money. Okay, so here we are. Let's fill up your Cash App, PayPal with unlimited $20 instant payments daily. We love it. It's something, I love this, and I love my other program I'm doing as well. Okay. And I believe that you will too. Once you get into it, man, once you see what this is all about, I think you'll love it as well. Okay. Earn $20 for every sign up you receive. Okay. That is pretty doggone good, right? It really is. Now look, the potential, and see, what I love is that the potential is here and the potential is real. Okay. Now, get complete details right now. You can go to my website. It's going to be in the description area of this video. Be sure to check this out. Now, get just one sign up a day, and that equals $600 a month. Hint, with this program, the sky is the limit. Okay. Imagine if you could get 8 signups a day. That's $160 a day, and that equals to $4,800 per month. And lots of reps are doing even better than that. Now, I'm not there yet, but I'm working on it, man. I'm going for it. Believe me when I tell you this, I am going for it. Okay. And I see the ease of this program. You know, is this a word, doability? I see that people can do this. And man, if people catch the vision of this program, guess what? Then we can make a lot of money. Now, I'm doing this coaching session, and guess what? I get paid one time for bringing somebody in. That's it. But it's okay, man. It's okay. Why? Because the potential of this program is ridiculous. Okay. And again, I want to offer you that free get started coaching session if you come on board with me. All right. But there you have it, guys. I'm Terry Brown. And just wishing you a blessed, man, just a great, wonderful day. Okay. All right. Bye-bye now.